Did you know that Turkish breakfast is not just a meal, but a culinary experience? Today, we're gonna eat like kings and queens. What better way to start your day than with a tasty and extended breakfast with friends? Typically, breakfast starts with meze-sized dishes. Turks love to begin their breakfast with cheese, especially white cheese, which goes very well with simit, the Turkish bagel. Did you know that simit was the first fast food of the Ottoman Empire? Tea is an integral part of the Turkish breakfast ritual. Turks are truly tea people. Actually, they drink more tea than any nation in the world. Tea is made in a two-piece pot. Boiled water from the lower pot is added to the upper pot with tea leaves to brew. Then it is served in these elegant tulip-shaped glasses. Now it's time to bring in the special dishes. Let's start with pasterma. Pasterma is a local seasoned dried meat that's full of flavor and it tastes great with eggs sunny side up. This is sucuk, a spicy Turkish sausage that is also local and delicious. Another local favorite, menemen, delicious scrambled eggs with tomato and peppers. Finally, top it all off with the dark Turkish coffee. Discover all this and more in Turkey, home of Turkish breakfast.